Because XRP is skyrocketing in price, your wealth will soar. By the end of 2024, it will probably reach $1,650 to $2,900. As always, this is a great speech. It rests on a significant advancement. Notable financial firm BlackRock made headlines when it announced the launch of an XRP exchange-traded fund. Bitcoin ETF is turning its focus to XRP after a stellar track record of having all of their ETF proposals approved. Everything changes when BlackRock moves into XRP, but that's not all. A lot of people are making noise, not only BlackRock. Additionally, the region contains Grayscale. In addition to adding XRP to their cryptocurrency portfolio, they have proposed an XRP ETF. The increasing prominence of XRP in Ripple Labs in international trade is demonstrated by this. Greetings, HelpCoin loved ones. Here you can find all the information you need about XRP, so welcome back. Before we get into the heart of the modern material, let's touch base fast. Someone please do me a favor. Forget about damaging that like button. Click subscribe and then activate that bell to become a part of our wonderful club. One other thing I wanted to let you know, a lovely XRP gift is almost ready to be prepared when we approach 60,000 subscribers. Getting enthused about the present is easy. Here are 3 easy steps for you to follow. So get yourself set up and ready to listen. Make sure you enter the giveaway by leaving a comment mentioning HelpCoin. Let's explore the fascinating XRP universe and find out what's happening currently. If you examine the data carefully, you'll see that BlackRock has done a decent job selecting ETFs in the past. One of the most recognizable brands in the field of asset management. The fact that crypto and Web 3.0 are attracting investment from BlackRock demonstrates a significant shift in the perspective of conventional financial institutions towards virtual currency. They clearly have a firm grasp of the financial markets since their ETF approval document is nearly flawless. You should know that BlackRock is unrivaled in the ETF industry thanks to their incredible 99.8% approval rate for ETFs. Keeping the broader view in mind is critical. A number of large financial institutions have shown interest in XRP, including BlackRock and JP Morgan. The pursuit of it has been a labor of love for them. Some sources, including the leak paper, have claimed that these large corporations have invested over 7.5% of their worth in XRP. According to the most current, well-researched article, BlackRock is considering shifting its emphasis from Bitcoin to XRP, which would significantly alter their funding strategy. The prospect of an XRP exchange-traded fund ETF backed by BlackRock is becoming more plausible by the day due to the current surge in interest in the cryptocurrency. However, the action really heats up now. A new character has entered the XRP narrative. Who wrote the XRP ETP and what happens to them are both unknowns at this point. Living, though, is a crucial stage on the road to an ETF. According to reports, the XRP ETP is now live, albeit it is merely in the pre-release phase, completely useless. But it will soon be ready to be displayed. And that's not all. A new ETF for XRP is supposedly in the works, and it might launch alongside the ETP and ETN ETFs. The expedited timing of this simultaneous debut demonstrates the rapid progress toward the ETF, which may occur as little as a few weeks following the Bitcoin ETF's launch, and is also more convenient for investors. Considering this, particularly when the price of Bitcoin reached $43,000 prior to the release of its ETF, XRP's potential is enormous. You can bet that the price of XRP will skyrocket to $1,650 or perhaps $2,500 the moment its exchange-traded fund ETF debuts. All right, listen up, this isn't as far-fetched as it seems. An XRP ETF is within reach in the coming weeks thanks to the XRP ETP's already live status. The alternative traded product for XRP has been formally issued by financial and national market giant Fidelity, which is something that many people are unaware of. As a result, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is expected to approve an XRP ETF shortly, and its release is anticipated to occur with great haste. Indeed, we discussed a story that was published only yesterday. Leaked research from BlackRock suggests that an XRP exchange-traded fund ETF could be on the horizon. The leak revealed that an exchange-traded fund was planning to request XRP. To add spice to the mix, several BlackRock specialists have publicly confirmed the release of a BlackRock ETF tailored to XRP. Even the iShares XRP Trust was mentioned in relation to an exchange-traded fund application. I had my doubts at first, but after doing some independent research, I can confirm that it is indeed included on the Internet database of agencies in Delaware. This new information alters everything and indicates that XRP's market position is about to undergo a dramatic shift, perhaps even more dramatic than the shift saw with Bitcoin's ETF. Recent research has demonstrated that there have been many positive shifts in the crypto realm. The amount transferred to BlackRock and JP Morgan together exceeds 7.5 million XRP. This demonstrates unequivocally that major corporations are considering investing in cryptocurrencies. Holding on to XRP has increased its price, and BlackRock isn't done yet. They've integrated the XRP ledger into their operations and are preparing to launch an XRP exchange-traded fund ETF. There is a significant probability that the XRP ETF will be approved since BlackRock has nearly a flawless record when it concerns ETF reviews. We can't stress enough how drastically an XRP ETF's charge can fluctuate. When you take into account all the relevant considerations, a gold fee of $9.831 for XRP, which initially appears exorbitant, begins to make sense. Explore the area. When considering the massive sums at stake, XRP is poised to play a significant role in international debt negotiations. The ISDA-backed XRP ledger has the potential to process transactions worth between $1.80 and $1.3 quadrillion. There's more. Saudi Arabia is one of the BRICS nations integrating the XRP ledger into its infrastructure, while Virtual Forex, a major financial institution in the Republic of Palau, is expanding with the help of the XRP ledger. As is often the case, the combination of a large quantity, strong demand, and a restricted supply should cause the price of XRP coin to surge. So recently, a lot of people have been discussing a certain topic. My parents don't understand why I'm so enthusiastic about XRP. They could be right, but allow me to clarify. I'm nearly prepared to take this pot. I gather it into a large ball and set it ablaze while I inhale deeply. That is quite powerful material. Motivation is key, in my opinion. When times are rough and you're trying to put on a brave face, it will save you. That instance, if you have come to the conclusion that all is just wishful thinking and no longer believe in wish. That is truly fantastic. But I don't see that as a negative thing. Let's support one another. To myself, I say things like that. If it's not perfect, it's like tossing money into space. Whatever the case may be, we are not at that place at this time. Rather, we are here to discuss happiness and live well. I really like how every one of you is sparking lively discussions and offering insightful suggestions. It certainly prompts contemplation regarding organizations in XRP. An intriguing point was raised. Buying XRP is definitely not required of them. Leasing is another option to consider. Do you agree that this merits serious consideration? At that moment, a fascinating idea occurred to me. What would happen if the most valuable store buyers also happened to be XRP buyers? I did some research on the topic and even questioned ChatGPT about the daily volume of SWIFT transactions. More than $7 trillion were spent on the unconventional solution. Also, bear in mind that the futures market is not included in that. It only covers overseas trading. That number is in the quadrillions, and it doesn't even account for tokenized assets like real estate, smart contracts, or non-fungible tokens.